Today we have an exciting and unique video with the DIY furniture makeover ideas. If you are looking to update your furniture without breaking the bank, this is the perfect video for you. Let's dive right into it. Hi, welcome to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decorating. Tip number 1, painting. One of the easiest and transformative way to give your furniture new look is by painting it. Choose a painting color that matches the desired style and make sure to prepare the surface properly before painting. Take a look at this piece of furniture. It went from drab to fair with just a coat of paint. Make sure to clean the surface and sand it lightly before applying the paint. You can use a brush or a ruler depending on the desired finish. Don't forget to let it dry completely before using or adding any additional coat. Tip number 2, decal or stencil accents. If you want to add some extra flair to your furniture, consider using decal or stencils to create beautiful pattern or design. It's a simple way to customize your piece and make it truly unique. Look at how these decals completely transform these plain dressers. They are easy to apply and come in various designs, allowing you to personalize your furniture. Alternatively, you can use stencil and paint to create your own pattern for a one-of-a-kind look. Now, tips are coming, and this is tip number 3. Fabric or upholstery change. If you have a furniture with a worn out or outdated upholstery, consider giving it a fresh look by changing the fabric. It's a great way to breathe new life into your furniture and match it to your current decor. Wow, take a look at this before and after transformation. By changing the fabric, this chair now complementing the room's color scheme perfectly. You can either reupholster the furniture yourself or seek professional help if needed. Just make sure to choose a fabric that suits the style and durability requirements. Tip number 4. Tips are coming, and this is tip number 4. Adding hardware. Sometimes small detail can make a big difference. Consider changing the hardware on your furniture, such as drawer pulls or knobs, to give a fresh and updated look. Look at how changing the hardware completely transformed this dresser. It's simple swap that can enhance the overall style and piece. You can find a wide variety of hardware options to suit your taste and furniture design. Tip number 5, creative uses and refurnishing. Don't limit your furniture to its original purpose. Get creative and think outside the box. repurpose items such as turning an old door into a tabletop or refurnishing as unused piece for a completely new finishing. Take a look at these creative ideas. An old suitcase can become a unique side table, and a vintage leader can be transformed into a stylish bookshelf. Refinishing and repurposing furniture allow you to unleash your creativity and add functional and eye-catching pieces to your space. And that concludes our DIY furniture makeover ideas. We hope you found inspiration for your next project. Remember, with a little creativity and some elbow grease, you can transform your furniture into something truly amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY home decor. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating.